Good morning, class 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, I am your new teacher, Mrs. Richa Gera. As your previous teacher is not well now, so I will be conducting your classes from today onwards. So, take out your basic English grammar and composition book. Now, today we will study about English grammar. Okay, now open this book. Have you all have take out this book? Now come on to page number 1. Now open the book fastly. Okay, so we will study chapter 1, the alphabet, vowels and consonants. So as you already have studied about your alphabets in your A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H in your earlier classes. Now we will adding up with some of the things to it. There are 26 letters in the English alphabets. How many letters are there in the English alphabets? You have already studied in class 1. 26 alphabets. They are written in two different forms, capital and small. They are always written in two different formats like capital and small. Here are the capital letters. These are also called big or uppercase letters. What they are also called? Big and uppercase letters. Underline this, big and uppercase letters. Capital letters are also called big and uppercase letters. So these are your capital letters. And these are your small letters. Here are the small letters. These are also called lowercase letters. Underline lowercase letters. These are also called lowercase letters. So some letters are special. They are कुछ वर्ड ऐसे होते हैं जो कि हमारे लिए, कुछ लेटर्स ऐसे हैं जो कि बहुत स्पेशल हैं, जैसे लाइक AEIOU. These 5 letters are called vowels. What they are called? Underline vowels. Vowels like AEIOU are called vowels. Most word contains vowels. Mostly जितने words होते हैं सब में vowels होते हैं, जैसे कि apple A vowel, E vowel, fish I vowel, boy O vowel, goat O vowel and A vowel. So what are vowels? Some special letters in our alphabets in our alphabet are called vowels. Like what are vowels? AEIOU. Many of the letters are consisting of vowels. The remaining 21 letters out of total 26 letters of the English alphabet are called consonants. What are consonants? Remaining alphabets. Likewise, we have 26 alphabets in our English alphabet. 26 letters. 26 letters. We have 5 vowels. How many remaining we have? We have remaining 21. What are those 21? Those 21 are consonants. What are consonants? The word after the remaining letters after leaving the vowels. After taking out the vowels from the English alphabet, A B C D, we have AEIOU. AEIOU are vowel. After taking out the vowels from the English alphabet, we have remaining with 21 letters. So those 21 letters are called consonants. Underline consonants. What are consonants? Like this: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So what are these? These are consonants, and AEIOU are vowels. Now children, come on to the exercise. Now we will doing this exercise. We can understand with the help of our exercise. What I have taught you, English alphabet has 26 letters. We have how many? We have how many forms? Two different forms of alphabets, like capital and small. Capital is also called big or uppercase letters, and small is also called lowercase letters. we have some 5 special letters. We are calling it as our vowels, like A, E, I, O, U. And after leaving these 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, the remaining 21 letters are called as our consonants. So have you understood all what I have taught you? If you have any query, you can ask me. I will again teach you all this. So come on to the page number 2. Look at this, page number 2, and we will doing this is our exercise A part. What are this? Fill in the blanks. Now take a pencil and write it with me. Okay. First, there are dashed letters in the English alphabets. Now tell me, how many letters are there in the English alphabets? I have taught you. How many? 26. Write down 26 here. Next, the big letters are also called, I have also taught you this, big letters are also called as, where are these? Big letters. Big letters are called uppercase letters. So write it here. Upper case letters. Uppercase, spelling of uppercase, UPPERCASE, uppercase. Now come on to third one. The small letters are also called as, if big letters are called uppercase and small letters are called lowercase, upper and lowercase. LOWERCASE. Have you written this? All of you? Has anyone left? Okay, now I am going to next one. There are dash vowels. How I taught you. Now tell me, how many vowels do we have? Yes, we have 5 vowels and dash consonants in the English alphabet. If we have 26 letters in the English alphabets, 5 are left with vowels. How many are remaining? We have 21 in our hand. So and 21 are those 21 are called as our consonants. The word bag has dash vowel. How many vowel does bag has? I have already taught you A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So look at this. Does it has A? Yes. Does it has E? No. Does it I? No. Does it has U? No. A, E, I, O. Does it has O? No. So how many vowels does that? 1. And consonants? 1, 2. 2 are consonants. B is a consonant. A is a consonant. We don't have E, I, O, U. So we have only one vowel. The word orange has, now we have to see orange has how many vowels. O is a vowel. A is a vowel. E is a vowel. How many vowels we have? We have 3 vowels. And how many consonants? 1, 2, 3. 3 consonants. 3 vowels and 3 consonants. What are vowels? Vowels are O, A, E. And what is consonant? R, N, G. So easy, we can easily find it out. Have you already done all this? Done this exercise? Shall I move forward? So we will move to exercise B. Look at the picture carefully. What they are saying? Look at the picture carefully. Complete the words using the correct vowels. We have to put vowels in it. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So who will tell me first? What is this? Which picture is this? They have written SW and we have to complete it this. This is swan. What we have to write? A. Already have done? Shall I move forward? So next picture is of What? C and T. What is this? This is cat. A. A and A is a vowel. What is this? This is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O. E is a vowel. O is a vowel. What is this? This is a hen. E-H-E-N. Hen. E is a vowel. What is this? All of you know. This is around your homes all the day. What is this? This is crow. O. C-R-O-W. So, have you already done? What is this? This is swan. What we have written? A is a vowel. Now, what is this? This is a cat. A is a vowel. What is this? Pigeon. E and O are vowels. What is this? This is a hen. E is a vowel. What is this? This is a crow. Crow. O is a vowel. Now, we have, what is this picture called? This picture is of donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. O and E are vowels. What is this? This is fox. O is a vowel. What is this? All of you know. This is very easy to recognize. This is fish. F-I-S-H. I is a vowel. What is this? This is very easy. We have already drawn it in many times in our drawing books. This is hut. What is this? We are playing in our homes. Top. O and E are vowels. O is a vowel. I is a vowel. U is a vowel. O is a vowel. Now move forward. What is this? All very enjoy to flight in a sky, na? Boys enjoy it very much. What is this? This is a kite. I and E are vowels. What is this? This is very easy to know. This is football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. What is this? This is drum. G-R-U-M. Drum. What is this? This is camel. C-A-M-E-L. What is this? This is very easy. When we have dark in our homes, we always lit up. What is this? This is candle. So, kite. I and E are vowels. Football. Double O. A is are vowels. U, drum. U is a vowel. A and E, camel. A and E are vowels. Candle. A and E are vowels. Now, this one. What is this? F-L-O-W-E-R. What is this? Flower. O-N-E-R. Vowels. What is this? This is a blanket. B-L-A-N-K-E-T. B-L-A-N-K-E-T. A-N-E-R. Vowels. What is this? This is a toy. Everybody loves to play with toy, na? Girls love to play with girl toy. Boy loves to play with boy toy. Everybody loves. What is this? This is our kitchen. Like K-I-T-C-H-E-N. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. E-N-I-R. Vowels. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. I-N-A-R. Vowels. So, what we have studied in all this? A is a vowel. A is a vowel. E and O are vowels. E is a vowel. O is a vowel. O and E are vowels. O is a vowel. I is a vowel. U is a vowel. O is a vowel. I is a vowel. A is a vowel. Double O are vowel. A is a vowel. U is a vowel. A. E is a vowel. A is a vowel. E is a vowel. O and E are vowels. A and E are vowels. O is a vowel. E is a vowel. E is a vowel. I is a vowel. A is a vowel. So we have completed the exercise A and B. And we have also read about vowels and consonants. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And the left 21 alphabets in our English alphabets letters are called consonants. So A, E, I, O is a vowel and rest other are consonant. So I have taught you. So I will ask you in further other classes. So revise it at your homes. Now I am ending up my class. So stay home, stay safe. Goodbye, children.